Let's have a look at this car. Look at the handles going backwards, all opposite to today. Not original seats, they wouldn't have been original. They're more comfortable though. No radio. Needs the rubbers. They weren't rubbers, they were like a cloth window guard. It's so clean, the body. Yeah, you can get some models parts in England brand new, though I think they're original. Look at the bumper bar. Show a young person this. What's that for? Obviously it's been repainted, but look at the wheels. These weren't probably allowed then. That's where the side indicator light used to be. And look at the back body. Wonder if this is aftermarket or factory. If it was factory, you'd think it'd have Morris or Austin logo on it. I think it was a very high quality aftermarket. You know, being in Invercargill, Southland, this is probably somebody's daily driver. Wonder if this was literally just cut off a car, or when it went through the factory, they cut it off. Yeah, that's metal. How is it? Warrant of fitness. It's probably here for a warrant. The guys here do warrants. They've done my warrant. Morris. Somebody was joking with me about Morris on the chat, so I might have to go and look at what they were saying. But here's a Morris. Anything else we can look at? For some reason, a lot of cobwebs in Southland.